When most people think of hearing loss, they think of an inability to hear certain sounds normally. They might ask for people to repeat themselves, or they might miss things in their environment, like birds chirping or the microwave timer. But what people don't often realize is that there are other side effects connected with hearing loss. Some of them are difficulty with memory. If you're having to work harder simply to hear the information, you don't have as much energy left over to remember the information that you've heard. And so oftentimes people don't realize that some difficulties with memory could actually be the result of not hearing as accurately or as well. Hearing loss can also be connected to some emotional issues. Many people who have hearing loss become concerned about missing information. There's a certain anxiety involved with that. They may not be sure if something's happening in their environment that they're not aware of. Somebody who might call or come to the door, or maybe a family or a friend who needs help. They may not be able to hear that person calling to them. The hearing loss affects social situations where someone with hearing loss becomes concerned that they're not going to be able to communicate effectively. They may not know if someone is talking to them. They have difficulties following the conversation. And so then they begin avoiding those situations. They don't go to church or Bible study. They don't meet with friends at restaurants or in groups. And oftentimes in family gatherings, they just kind of remove themselves. They don't participate as actively. When you're not able to hear accurately, it can affect your balance, your awareness of the environment, where you are in space, where things are around you. They feel disoriented if they're in a busy environment, like out shopping or hiking in the woods. And so there are actually physical limitations that can result from hearing loss. So for all of these reasons, we encourage patients to find out what is happening with their hearing before they experience any of these problems. It may be that there's nothing that needs to be done, but having a baseline and knowing what the health of your hearing is can certainly prevent some of those physical, emotional, and social side effects that we don't always typically associate with hearing loss.